Duck meat is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world. Whether roasted, grilled, or in a soup, duck meat is known for its rich flavor and tender texture. In this essay, I will explore the various ways that duck meat can be prepared and cooked, as well as how to calculate the calories in each dish. Roasted duck. Roasted duck is a classic dish in many cultures, particularly Chinese cuisine. The duck is seasoned with spices and herbs, such as star anise, ginger, and soy sauce, before being roasted until the skin is crispy and the meat is tender. A typical serving of roasted duck contains around 350 to 400 calories. Duck confit. Duck confit is a French dish that involves curing the duck legs in salt and then cooking them slowly in their own fat. The result is a rich and flavorful meat that falls off the bone. A serving of duck confit contains around 450 to 500 calories. Peking duck. Peking duck is a famous dish in Chinese cuisine that is similar to roasted duck but with a different preparation method. The duck is first marinated in a mixture of spices and then air-dried for several hours before being roasted. The result is a crispy skin and tender meat that is often served with pancakes, scallions, and hoisin sauce. A typical serving of Peking duck contains around 500 to 600 calories. Duck breast. Duck breast is a versatile cut of meat that can be prepared in a variety of ways, such as grilled, pan-seared, or roasted. It is often served with a sauce, such as cherry or orange sauce, and paired with seasonal vegetables. A typical serving of duck breast contains around 250 to 300 calories. Duck soup. Duck soup is a comforting and nourishing dish that is often made with vegetables and aromatic herbs, such as thyme and rosemary. The duck meat adds richness and flavor to the soup. A serving of duck soup contains around 200 to 250 calories. When calculating the calories in each dish, it is important to consider the cooking method, the portion size, and any additional ingredients that are used. For example, a serving of Peking duck that is paired with pancakes, scallions, and hoisin sauce will have a higher calorie count than a simple serving of roasted duck. In conclusion, duck meat is a versatile and delicious ingredient that can be prepared in a variety of ways. Roasted duck, duck confit, Peking duck, duck breast, and duck soup are all popular dishes that showcase the rich flavor and tender texture of duck meat. When calculating the calories in each dish, it is important to consider the cooking method, portion size, and any additional ingredients that are used. By understanding how to prepare and cook duck meat, as well as how to calculate its calorie content, one can enjoy this flavorful ingredient in a healthy and satisfying way. In addition to the various ways duck meat can be prepared, there are also many side dishes and accompaniments that pair well with duck. Here are some examples. Roasted vegetables. Roasted vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, and onions can complement the rich flavor of duck meat. Rice or noodles. Rice or noodles are often served as a side dish with duck, particularly in Asian cuisines. Fruit sauce. A fruit sauce, such as cherry or orange sauce, can add a sweet and tangy flavor to the dish.